Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss the biology MCQs of OUAT entrance examination 2008. So the first question is, consider the following: structural gene, messenger RNA, ribosome, transcription, then translation. So this is the overall process of protein synthesis. Which one of the following is the correct sequence, step by step process of protein synthesis? So at first structural gene should be present there. Next after that there will be transcription, that means formation of mRNA from DNA. So the process is called as transcription. So after that messenger RNA is formed. Then the messenger RNA is transferred to ribosome. Then ribosome carry out the translation. So the whole process, at first structural genes, that means 1. Then transcription, that means 4. Then messenger RNA 2. Then ribosome 3. Then finally translation. So here the option B is the correct one. Okay, is the correct sequence of events. Next question. Which one of the following factor is the most effective in accelerating the rate of breathing in a mammal? Okay, so here the correct answer is a lack of oxygen in the tissue. It accelerates the rate of breathing. In the Embden-Meyerhof pathway, that means in glycolysis pathway, glucose breakdowns to pyruvate. Yes, it is true. The option 1 is the correct. Option A is the correct. Why do we dig for fossil and study them? Okay, so we study fossil because to throw light on evolution of animal of the past. During muscle contraction, which one of the following does not show any change in their length? So the correct answer is anisotropic band. Okay, which of the following part of the eye is characteristic of birds? So it is the right answer is pectin. Next question, provitamins. What is provitamins? So provitamins are the organic substances which are used as raw material for synthesis of vitamins in an animal body. Okay, next question. Small pieces of autonomous extrachromosomal and circular DNA found in some bacterial cells is called as plasmid. Next question. Copper containing blood pigment commonly noticed among mollusks is called as hemocyanin. Next question. Cretinism is a diseased condition which occurs due to the deficiency of which one of the following hormone? So the correct answer is thyroxine. Down syndrome is caused due to, so it is caused due to the trisomy, presence of 3 chromosomes in chromosome number 21. Okay. Next, the allantois in cheek is the allantois in the cheek is the embryonic nutritive organ. So it is embryonic nutritive organ. Next question is, in man 2n equal to 46, in primary spermatocyte how many chromosomes will be found? So the right answer is 46. Same. Next is carnassial teeth is present in dog. Next, the most common chlorofluorocarbons which is primarily used as a propellant is aerosol spray cans, and CF2Cl2 which is used as refrigerant commonly known as freons is now banned because chlorofluorocarbons in atmosphere destroy large quantities of ozone by photolytic process. So ozone is necessary. As why ozone is necessary? Because ozone screens out most of the damaging portion of ultraviolet radiation. Next question. The sodium potassium pump transports. So it transports K plus into neuron and sodium out to the neuron. Okay. Next question. The membrane of endoplasmic reticulum consists of. So the membrane consists of 4 layers: protein, lipid, protein. So lipid bilayer and protein. A bacterium differs from virus in the presence of cell wall. Cell wall is present in bacteria which is absent in virus. The giraffe has a long neck. Okay. So the giraffe has a long neck because according to Darwin, the long neck of giraffe evolved because giraffe with slightly longer neck had better chance of reaching to the food source that were higher in trees, that are present in higher trees. So here the correct answer should be getting more food. The ancestral giraffe gave birth to such giraffe. Okay. Next question. Pyrenoid granules are protein covered by the starch and spirogyra and most of the algae. Next question. The significance of meiosis. Significance of meiosis or reductional division. So here the correct answer is reduction of chromosome number to facilitate recombination with other genetic constituent. Next question. The phloem is responsible for. So phloem is responsible for transfer of photosynthate or food prepared in leaves by the process of photosynthesis to different parts of the plant body. Next question. The Nissel's granules are granular structure found in neuron acting as catalyst during transmission of an impulse. Next question. In the Watson and Crick model, DNA molecule is formed by 2 polydeoxyribonucleotide strand coiling clockwise. The length of complete coiling is, so the length of a complete coiling is 3.4 Armstrong. Next question. In Mendelian dihybrid cross, sweet pea taking seed coat character, you got 1000 offsprings with the following ratio of character after crossing the pollens of yellow and round seed coat character with eggs of green and wrinkled seed coat character, that is yellow round 250, yellow wrinkled 250, green round also 250, green wrinkled also 250 in number. Next, from the above result you can conclude that this result is due to, so this result can be due to yellow round plant was hybrid for both yellow and round character. Okay. Next question. During cell division, the maximum DNA synthesis occurs in the phase, so it takes place in interphase and S phase of the interphase. A phase of cell division where chromatids gradually coiled, nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear and spindle formed is called as, so it is called as the prophase, which is the starting phase. Next question. The chromosome in salivary gland of Drosophila is a bigger one with different banding pattern, and that is called as polytene chromosome. Next question. In a flower, the thalamus is hollow and cup shaped and completely fuses with lower part of the ovary. The ovary is inferior. The stamen, petal, sepal are placed above the pistil. The flower is called as, so the flower is called as epigynous. Okay. Fertilization in gourd, one of the spore nuclei fuses with, so one fuses with the egg cell and the second one fuses with the secondary nucleus to form primary endosperm nucleus. So here the correct answer is one is fused with the egg to form zygote. Okay. And the another one fuses with the secondary nucleus to form endosperm nucleus. Okay. Next question is, during protein synthesis, polyribosome is produced by, so polyribosome is produced by mRNA. Next question, which of the following plants belong to Labiati or Lamiaceae? So here the correct answer is Ocimum santum, Tulsi. Due to transpiration from leaf surface, water is drawn upward. This is termed as, your transpiration pool. Actually the correct statement, exact word, exact term is transpiration pool. So here it is absent in the options. I think transpiration current should be the right answer. Next question. So the next question is, for prosthetic group of an enzyme, it is the non-protein group attached to the protein. Next, the light phase of photosynthesis, which one of the following is produced? So what are the products of light reaction of photosynthesis? At first, what are the products? The main product is oxygen, next ATP, next NADPH. So here the correct answer is NADPH. Next question, the liver abscess may be formed due to the infection by which one of the following? So here the correct answer is Entamoeba histolytica infection. Incomplete metamorphosis is evident in, so it is evident in cockroach. Next, which one of the following is a major paddy pest? So major paddy pest is Oryctis. Next question is, which of the following is capable of taking advantage of both aerial and aquatic respiration? So here the correct one is pearl oyster. Next question, all vertebrates are chordate, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Because, so it is because all vertebrates possess notochord in any of its life stage, but chordates do not have vertebral column. Next question is, in man, ancylostoma harbors in, so here the correct answer is stomach. Next question, one of the main characteristic of reptiles which is present in other animal. So it is the correct answer, tympanic membrane. The transfer of food energy from source in plants through a series of organisms with repeated eating and being eaten is called as food chain. In pond ecosystem, the trophic status of lactaphase, so here lactaphase is the primary consumer. Next, the pinnate compound leaf. Pinnate compound leaf is found in, here the correct answer is none of this. Sweet potato is modified. Sweet potato is a modified adventitious root. Chloroplast usually contains two types of pigment. So here the correct option is chlorophyll and carotenoids. Acrosome cap of sperm head is formed by, so it is formed by the Golgi body. Next question is, centrosphere is, what is centrosphere? So centrosphere is the cytoplasmic portion surrounding the centriole. Next question, deoxycytidilic acid is formed by, so it is formed by phosphoric acid, deoxyribose sugar and cytosine. Next question is, the opening and closure of stomatal pore during transpiration is entirely dependent on, it is dependent on the osmotic pressure of the guard cell. Next question, the model of Watson and Crick DNA molecule is formed by two deoxyribonucleotide strand coiling clockwise. In each coiling, the number of deoxyribonucleotide is, so the correct answer is 10. Flower is a modified shoot because of the presence of node and internodes. The angiosperm, in angiosperm the process of double fertilization means, so it means one of two nuclei of male gamete fuses with egg nucleus, one fuses with egg nucleus, another fuses with the definitive nucleus or secondary nucleus of the embryo sac. Next question, phosphorus in plant body is the, so phosphorus is macrometabolic element, macronutrient. Okay, next question, the pearl is the, so the pearl is the secretion of mantle of pearl oyster. Next question, the leech can suck blood in clot because it can secrete. So the right answer is toxic substance. As fowl is not a running bird, it poses. So it poses no pygostyle. Next question. In vertebrates, neural plate is developed from. So the right answer is ectodermis. Next question. Which one of the following does not take place during first nuclear division of meiosis? So the correct answer is complete separation of chromatids of each chromosome. Next question. In the life cycle of any sexually reproducing organism, two essential events are nuclear fission and meiosis, but the position of these events may vary so that several distinct type of life cycles are possible. Which one of the following life cycles occur in nature? So here the correct answer is diploid organism, meiosis, haploid gamete, then nuclear fusion of those gametes, then formation of zygote, then diploid organism. So here also diploid zygote is formed. Okay. Next question. The ultra structure of cross section of centriole shows. So it shows 9 triple microtubules. Okay. Here the influence of luteinizing hormone from the anterior pituitary. So the right answer is corpus luteum is stimulated to begin secreting estrogen. Next question. The mammal that possesses small marsupialism and also lay eggs is. So the right answer is platypus. The placenta develops in. The right answer is guinea pig. Next question. Agar is a complex carbohydrate is extracted from. So it is extracted from a red algae. Next question. Molting in insect will result in the production of nymphal or larval stage only if a certain hormone is present. This hormone is produced by. So the right answer is prothoracic gland. The leaves of Mimosa pudica droops down when they are touched. This movement is called as. The right answer is seismonasty. So these are the biology MCQs of OUAT Entrance Test 2008. I hope you will get benefit from this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.